Hi, so this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website elizabess.com. I'm on the homepage, and I really love that you're showing your featured products right away. When it comes to items on sale, I encourage you to have only small percentage of items on sale, but I like that the sale icon is nicely optimized. Remember to have maybe like 5 to up to 10% of all items on sale at a time. Also, £1 off is kind of, it feels a little, or £2 off, it feels a little bit naturally on sale. 50% off, or at least 25% off would be much more appealing. £1 off doesn't really, it feels a little bit misleading. However, you've got top navigation, so that's excellent. Remember also about adding trust signals such as about us page, contact us page, a returns policy. Okay, you've got some, there's the typo in privacy policies, it should be privacy, but you've got about us, shipping returns. Okay, so they are in the footer. Okay, perfect. But you've got social media links, and also remember to open them in a new tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. However, I'll check the collection page and the product page as well. The collection page looks excellent. I would also rename this title from product to something like shop colorful cushions, shop cushion cover. So something a little bit more specific. Also remember to check for any typos, like for example inspired has a typo, so these can also affect sales, so remember to check for these and fix them as well. Typos can definitely affect conversion rate, can definitely affect sales, and I explain why in another video which I link at the top, so make sure to check it. The product page looks great. You've got add to cart above default and detailed product descriptions, so that's excellent. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.